You send an email and in seconds it appears on someone else's laptop. But how does it actually travel? So email works using the special rules called as protocols. The three most important email protocols are SMTP, POP3, IMAP. Each one has a different job and together they make sending and receiving emails possible. So coming to SMTP, which is Simple Mail Transfer Protocol, is used to send emails. When you click the send button, SMTP takes your message from your email app to the email server and then from one email server to another until it reaches the receiver. So SMTP originally used TCP port 25, but this port is no longer safe to use without security. Today, SMTP should only be used with TLS encryption, which creates a secure connection. So secure SMTP uses port 587 or start TLS or explicit TLS or port 465, which is implicit SMTPS. You can think of SMTP like a mail delivery truck that pushes email out to the destination. So that is the main functionality of SMTP. So if you have sent an email and there is a delivery truck guy who takes it and transfers it to the post office. So basically this particular van is nothing but, you can think it has a SMTP. So I'll just add protocols ports here. Instead of port 25, which is not secure, you can use port 587, which is explicit TLS, or port 465, implicit SMTPS. Let's consider your laptop and your friend's laptop. So when you draft an email on your laptop and click send, the SMTP protocol is used here. So whenever you have created the email to push this email, this is where SMTP comes into the picture. So here the SMTP does not send the email directly to your friend's laptop. Instead, it pushes the email from your laptop to your email server first. So that is what happens here. So once you receive here, after that SMTP is used again to send the message from your email server to your friend's email server. So from here again it will be pushing to your friend's email. So similarly SMTP is used here. So once the email reaches your friend's email server, your friend can then retrieve the message using POP3 or IMAP, which we'll be discussing in a moment. In simple terms, SMTP is responsible for pushing the emails between the client and the server and between the servers themselves. So this is how the email delivery works behind the scenes. And coming to the next one, which is POP3 or Post Office Protocol version, is used for receiving emails by downloading them from the email server to your device. It works like this. Your email client connects to the server, downloads all the messages and usually deletes them from the server. So POP3 normally uses TCP port 110, but this is not secure. When encrypted with TLS, it becomes POPs, which uses port 995. So POP3 is best when you use one device and want to store your emails locally on that particular device. It is like going to the post office and collecting all your emails and bringing back home. Similarly, if you consider right now you have got your email here, so you go and you'll just pick your email and you'll return back to the home. So right now this post office doesn't have your email. So that is how this POP3 works. So once you download it, it will be deleted in the server. So taking this example, let's consider your friend has received the email on the email server. Now your friend wants to download and read the email on his laptop. So this is where POP3 is used. Using POP3, the email is downloaded from the email server to your friend's laptop. So this is how it is locally saved. After the email is downloaded, it is usually deleted from the email server. But because of this, the email will only be available on that laptop and not on the other devices. This makes POP3 a good option if you are using only one device and want to store email locally. Next, we have IMAP or Internet Message Access Protocol, is also used for receiving emails. It works differently from POP3. With IMAP, emails stay on the email server and your device just read from there. So this allows you to check emails on multiple devices such as phones, laptops and tablets and see the same message everywhere. IMAP can also download only email headers and let you delete the message directly from the server. So IMAP uses TCP 14, but When secured with TLS, it becomes IMAPs, which uses port 993. So IMAP is best for server-based email storage and modern computer email systems. Now let's consider the same scenario where the email has been pushed to the email server. So when using POP3, the email is pulled from the server and downloaded to your friend's device, and it usually removed from the server. However, when using IMAP, the behavior is a bit different. With IMAP, the emails stay on the email server, so your device does not fully download them. So instead, it reads the email directly from the server. So if you open, delete, reply, or modify an email on one device, the same change appears on all your devices, such as your mobile phone, laptop, and tablet. So this is because all devices are synchronized with the server. So IMAP is ideal when you use multiple devices and want your email to stay consistent and up to the date everywhere. So in summary, SMTP sends email while POP3 and IMAP receives email. So POP3 downloads email to one device while IMAP keeps emails on the server and syncs them across the devices. For security reasons, these protocols should always be used with TLS encryption to protect email content and login information. So I hope you understood the concept of today's video. If you've liked the video, please click the like button below and subscribe for more such videos. And also feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Thank you.